Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect command blocks. Command blocks are powerful tools in Minecraft, allowing you to automate actions and create custom game experiences. They execute specific commands when activated by redstone signals or other command blocks. We will explore the different types and how to link them together to build complex systems, making your creations more dynamic and interactive. There are three main types of command blocks. Impulse blocks, which are orange, execute their command just one time when powered. Chain blocks, colored green, activate only after the block pointing into them has run its command. Finally, repeat blocks, which are blue, continuously execute their command as long as they receive a redstone signal, offering constant effects or checks. Connecting command blocks is straightforward. For direct chaining, simply place them next to each other, ensuring the arrow on a chain block points to the next block in your sequence. You can also use redstone dust, repeaters, or comparators to create indirect connections, allowing for more spread-out designs. Remember to set the command block mode to conditional if you want it to run only if the previous block succeeded. For more advanced setups, consider incorporating redstone logic gates to control when and how your command blocks activate. Always test your command block chains meticulously to ensure they function as intended, adjusting delays with repeaters if necessary. A common strategy is to use one impulse block to initiate a long chain of conditional chain blocks, creating intricate and powerful automated systems within your world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.